Hi, Amanda Jane here again. I'm just doing another video of the pop-up shop in Welwyn, and I'm just showing you Helen from Woolly Chic's stand here. She's got some beautiful cotton yarn here. I'm going to choose a couple of these for making a baby cardigan, really soft and in gorgeous colours. They've also got these lovely variegated yarn here. I'm just going to quickly go around here. Now, this is West Yorkshire Spinners Croft and Fleece range, and then we've got some examples of her work over here. Beautiful crochet shawls, and then this is heart spun in fantastic colours. I'm really looking forward to buying these online. So you can get these online, and these are British made yarns, spun yarns, blue-faced Leicester wool and Tencel. So pop along to Welwyn Garden City, the Howard Centre, and come to the pop-up shop between now and Saturday, and then there's an exhibition in Oaklands College in Welwyn.